Fridge freezer frost buildup solution. Easy fix at home. To solve fridge, freezer frost, first defrost it completely by unplugging and letting ice melt, then identify the cause by checking for a damaged door seal, gasket, blocked air vents, or incorrect temperature settings, too low. Prevent future buildup by keeping the door shut, not putting hot foods inside, ensuring good airflow behind the unit, and regularly cleaning the drain hole and condenser coils. Immediate fix. Defrost and clean. Unplug and empty. Unplug the unit, remove all food, store in coolers, and place towels to absorb water. Melt ice. Allow ice to melt naturally, door open, or use a hairdryer on low heat, carefully. Clean. Thoroughly dry the interior and clean the drain hole, often at the back bottom, with hot soapy water to remove clogs. Preventative solutions. Find the cause, check door seal, gasket, inspect the rubber seal for cracks or gaps. A wet or frosty patch means it's letting warm air in. Adjust temperature. Set fridge to 3 to 5 degrees Celsius, 35 to 42 degrees Fahrenheit, and freezer to -18 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Setting it too low causes frost. Ensure airflow. Make sure vents inside aren't blocked by food and the fridge isn't pushed too close to the wall. Avoid hot foods. Let dishes cool completely before refrigerating. Limit door opening. Frequent openings let in moisture. Clean coils. Dust on condenser coils, back, bottom, reduces efficiency. Advanced issues. If frost returns, defrost system. If frost keeps returning in a frost-free model, components like the defrost heater, thermostat, or control board may need professional inspection or replacement.